Simula po talaga nung pagkabata ko, hili ko na talaga yung pagbibisikleta pero hindi po talaga ako nabibigyan. So, neto lang din pong mga nakaraang taon, nakapag-provide na po akong makabili ng bike. And ayun po, nag-start ako as a delivery rider.
Honoraca said his passion for cycling grew even more after he finally got his own bike. From there, he started joining friends in local races. And what began as simple rides soon turned into something much bigger.
Nakilala ko po yung mga tropa ko na kumakarera and ayun po, sabi ko, natuwa ako na may karera and nag-try ako kumarera and ayun, maganda naman po yung naging mga resulta ng karera. And
his break came earlier this year when he saw a Facebook post about a power test for interested riders. He took the chance and made it count.
Nung nakita po namin nung kaibigan ko na may pa-power test si Coach Virgilio, tinake po namin as opportunity. Then, ayun po, napapasok naman po ako sa power test, ayun, nag-top 2 po ako.